Hello dear students. So in today's class we are going to see the last topic of second module. So the topic is determining an integral surface which circumscribes a given surface. And now two surfaces are said to circumscribe each other if they touch along a curve. So for example, you consider a cone and a cylinder. So if you have a cone which is enclosed inside a cylinder, you can imagine that the cone and the cylinder, they touch each other along a circle. So that is the curve along which they circumscribe. So that is the meaning of saying that two surfaces are said to circumscribe. So they'll touch along a curve. And now our aim is to find an integral surface which circumscribes a given surface. Or once you are given a PDE, we'll solve for the complete integral. ഇത് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത സാധനം തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ particular solution കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാണ്. Okay, so you have an integral surface which you find using some method of solving PDE. Then we need to find a particular solution such that it circumscribes a given surface. So you are given the surface f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0 and the surface y of x, y, z equal to 0. Now, if they circumscribe each other, so the derivatives fx, fy and fz, and ix, iy and xyz. So sorry, this is z. So this is z over here. Okay. So you have fx by xix equal to fy by zy equal to fz by xyz. So if they touch each other along the curve, so their normal vectors will satisfy this condition. So other proportional ആയിരിക്കും. So fx, fy, fz will be proportional to xix, iy and xyz. Now what happens by this equation is, so when you eliminate x, y, z between these equations, so that is going to give us a relation involving a and b. Then using that relation, envelope kandupidikka. So you can express b in terms of a. You will get a one parameter subsystem. So when you find the envelope, you will get the surface, or you will get the common curve. So that is the idea of finding the solution. So by eliminating a and b, we will get an envelope that touches xy of x, y, z along curve C. So we will see an example. So show that the only integral surface of the equation 2q into z minus px minus qy equal to 1 plus q square, which is circumscribed about the paraboloid 2x plus y square plus z square is the enveloping cylinder which touches it along the section, along its section by the plane y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is what you need to show. So you are given the surface 2q into z minus px minus qy equal to 1 plus q square. So this is circumscribed about the paraboloid, and you need to show that the curve is equal to y plus 1. So first we will solve for this equation. So we need to find the surface f of x, y, z, ab equal to 0. So on solving, so first I will rewrite the equation. So it is in the form, it is in the Clairaut's form. You can see that z equal to px plus qy plus 1 plus q square by 2q varum. So replace p by a and q by b. That will give the complete integral. So complete integral is z equal to ax plus by plus b square plus 1 by 2b ആണ്. And this is our curve y of xy z. So write in the form f of xyz ab equal to 0 and xy of xyz equal to 0, and then we'll take the partial derivatives. So here we will get the two equations from fx fy fz edukka xix iy xyz and evaluate these ratios. So fx is going to be a and xix is 2 and fy is b by minus 2y varum. Then fz is minus 1 by minus 2z. So that will give us, so equate these two terms, the two terms will equate here. So that is going to give b equal to minus ay and z is equal to 1 by a. And now eliminating x between this equations 1 and 2. Okay, so x y ഉം z ഉം substitute ചെയ്യുക. Then we'll eliminate x between these two equations. So that will involve that will give a relation which involves only a and b. So y equal to minus b by a and z equal to 1 by a. So substituting in this equation 2x plus 2x equal to y square plus z square. Substituting in the first equation z equal to ax plus by plus b square plus 1 by 2b. So that will give us 1 by a equal to a b square plus 1 by 2a square. അത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്നാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, എക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന എ എക്സ് ആണ്, എക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വൈ സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് എച്ച് സ്ക്വയർ ബൈ 2 വരും. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 1 ബൈ എ സ്ക്വയർ ഇൻറ്റു 1 ബൈ 2 പ്ലസ് ബി വൈ, വൈ ഈസ് മൈനസ് ബി ബൈ എ പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 1 ബൈ 2 ബി. So therefore we will get 1 by a equal to minus b square by a. ഇവിടെ b square plus 1 by 2 common ആണ്. So you will get b square plus 1 by 2a plus b square plus 1 by 2b. So on simplifying you will get b square plus 1 by 2a equal to b square plus 1 by 2b. കാരണം ഈ ടേമിന്ന് ഈ രണ്ട് ടേംസ് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക. ഇവിടെ ബി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 1 ബൈ എ വരും. സോ ഹിയർ ബി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 1 ബൈ 2a. സോ ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ഗീവ് us this equation. So b square plus 1 by 2 cancel out. So we are going to get a equal to b. So that gives us the one parameter system. So the one parameter system will be അപ്പോൾ b യുടെ പ്ലേസിലെല്ലാം a വെച്ച് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക. You will get z equal to ax plus by ക്ക് വരും ay വരും plus a square plus 1 by 2a. Now we need to find the envelope. So therefore differentiate with respect to a. A വെച്ച് differentiate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ before that I am simplifying here. 2az plus 2a square x plus 2a square y plus a square plus 1 varum. So on differentiating with respect to a, you will get 2z equal to 4a x plus y plus 2a. So 2 will cancel off. So that will give a equal to z by 2x plus 2y plus 1. ഇനി a തിരിച്ച് equation substitute ചെയ്യുക. So that will give 2z square by 2x plus y plus 1 equal to, so we are substituting in this equation 2az equal to 2a square into x plus y plus a square plus 1. So then substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ this is what you are going to get. Now simplify this. So simplifying, we'll get 2z square into 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 2z square x plus y plus z square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 whole square. So z square common varuna terms edukumbo you will get z square into 4x plus 4y plus 2 minus 2x minus 2y minus 1. ഈ രണ്ട് ടേംസ് നമ്മൾ ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ വരും. So that gives z square into 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 2x plus 2y plus 1 whole square. So this will cancel off. That will give z square equal to 2x plus 2y plus 1. So our envelope is z square equal to 2x plus 2y plus 1. ഇനി തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് the envelope will touch the surface 2x equal to y square plus z square. So we have to show that it is along y plus 1 equal to 0. Ini envelope is going to touch the surface. So now we will find the intersection. So from here, surface in the equation in the z square will be equal to 2x minus y square. So that will give z square in the substitute here. 2x minus y square will be equal to 2x plus 2y plus 1. So therefore 2x will cancel off. You are going to get y plus 2y plus 1. Y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So that is y plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So that gives y plus 1 equal to 0. So which is the required curve of intersection. So the curve of intersection is y plus 1 equal to 0.